So here's a question that's asking us to find what's the total revenue function. It states if the marginal revenue of a commodity is R prime X equal 80 minus 0.4X, where X is the number of units, what is the total revenue function? So to find the revenue function, we have to integrate 80 minus 0.4X. So integrating it, so integrate 80 to get 80x and integrating x now, that power is 1. So you add 1 to the power, so you have 1 plus 1 is 2 over 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the constant c. Now we have 8x and divide 0.4 by 2, that is 0.2, so you have minus 0.2x squared plus c. So this represents our revenue function. If Gem Care Company manufactures lotions, the total cost of producing 30 lotions is 43,500. The marginal cost to manufacture X lotion is given as the following. What is the fixed cost? Now, the fixed cost is a constant that we'll be finding. But in order to find that, we have to integrate the marginal cost function. So we're going to integrate 12x plus 4x squared minus 5 with respect to x. So integrating 12x, we know that this has a power 1. So we have 12x, 1 plus 1. So that's x squared divided by 2. And then for 4x squared, it's going to be 4x, 2 plus 1. So that's going to be x cubed over 3 minus 5x. Going to integrate 5, it becomes 5x plus c. So this represents our cost function when we integrate. So now we would like to get C, which is a fixed cost. The information that we'll use is that 30 lotions, the total cost of producing 30 lotions is 43,500. So this is the total cost. And the 30 lotions represents X. So we're going to substitute. So we're going to have 43,500 equal. Now, before I ever continue, I can simplify this. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. So that's 6x squared. So I have 6 open bracket, 30 squared plus 4. And then we have 30 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 30 plus C. So C is the unknown and it represents fixed costs. So we have 43,500. And now you need your calculator to go ahead and see 30 squared. And then you multiply it by 6. And that will give us 5,400. Plus, the next part, you'll have 30 cubed times 4. And then divided by 3, we get 36,000. Minus 5 3 is 15, so that's going to be 150 plus C. Let's calculate this part. So we have 5,400 plus 36,000, that's 41,400. Take away 150, so we have 41,250. So we have 43,500 equal 41,250 plus C. We're going to carry this over the equal sign. So we have 43,500 minus 41,250 equal C. So 43,500 minus 41,250. So my C is 2,250. And that represents our fixed cost, which is 2,250. Element limited manufacturer expenses. The total cost of producing 50 pencils is $150. The marginal cost to manufacture X pencil is given as the following. What is the fixed cost? So the fixed cost, I will have to first find the total cost function by integrating 2 minus 0.01x. So that will be 2x minus 0.01. Now x, because there's a power 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's be x squared over 2 plus c. Now by right, we can say 0.01 divided by 2, but if you prefer to leave it as is, it's up to you, but we can divide 0.01 by 2, so we'll have 2x minus, now, some calculators, when you put it in, you're going to see 5 times 10 to the minus 3. So here it will be the same thing as saying 0.005 x squared plus c. So this is our total cost function where we need to find the fixed cost. Now it's up to you if you want to work with the first or the second. What are you comfortable with? Now after doing this, I'm going to just work with the first. So after doing this, we are going to substitute. It says we have 50 pencils, so that's x. And the total cost is 150, so that is C. So let's just rewrite this as CX. So CX is 150, and we replace X with 50. So we have 2 times 50 minus 0.01, 50 squared over 2 plus C. So we have 150, 2 times 50, that's 100, and 0.01 times 50 squared, that's 25, divided by 2, that's 12.5, so minus 12.5 plus C. So we say 100 minus 12.5, and that's going to give me 87.5. So we have 150 equal 87.5 plus C. Carry the 87.5 over the equal sign. So we have 150 minus 87.5 equals C. So 150 minus 87.5, so that's 62.5. So the fixed cost is equal to $62.50. So that represents C. So they said find the total cost function is just to replace C. So it says CX is equal to 2x minus 0.01 x squared over 2 plus the $62.50. 50 cents, which would represent our fixed cost. So that is our total cost function. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.